Welcome to Petal Whisper. Today, we're reviewing the Omron HEM 7120 fully automatic digital blood pressure monitor, designed to make health monitoring simple and accurate at home. Let's dive in. Keeping track of your blood pressure is essential, and the Omron HEM 7120 offers professional-level accuracy with features like Intellisense Technology, a hypertension indicator, and a simple one-touch operation. Perfect for everyday use. Here's what makes this monitor stand out. Intellisense Technology automatically adjusts for precise readings. Hypertension Indicator alerts you to high blood pressure levels. One-touch use, quick and hassle-free. Memory function stores the last reading to track progress. Portable design, lightweight and compact for easy use at home or on the go. How to use. Using the Omron HEM 7120 is simple. Wrap the cuff around your upper arm snugly. Press the start button and remain still. Within seconds, get clear readings of your systolic, diastolic, and pulse rate on the large digital screen. Let's quickly break down the pros and cons. Pros: accurate and reliable readings. Easy to use with a one-touch system. Comfortable, adjustable cuff for most arm sizes. Lightweight and travel-friendly design. Cons: stores only the last reading. Arm cuff may not fit larger arms. Requires batteries, which are not included. Omron is a trusted global brand in health monitoring, known for precision and reliability. The HEM 7120 continues that tradition, offering peace of mind and convenience. Take control of your health today. Click the Amazon link in the description to buy the Omron HEM 7120 blood pressure monitor now. It's a smart investment for your well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Petal Whisper for more product reviews and wellness tips. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay healthy.